I have a sort of a trash area of the yard where I want to plant pumpkins. I feel like I saw one time online that you can plant seeds inside of a bag of soil. Would that work? Or mound a big pile of soil and then try growing them in that?
I find that's relatable about the trash area. I feel like
we all have a trash area in our backyard.
I feel like that's probably a common thing more than people realize.
This is you can actually do this.
Yes.
We've done this we've talked in past weeks about when we buy a compost, we put a big mound somewhere to store.
Yeah.
We've thrown seeds in there. We've threw Jardel pumpkins in there. We've thrown Hubbard squash in there. Though it wasn't humongous, it still vined and produced.
Okay, so you can, take a bag of soil, a mound of soil, whatever you decide to do. But the thing is to keep in mind is that pumpkins are vines, so it is going to vine beyond wherever this trash area.
Well, it depends on how big the trash area is. It might be what you need.
It might vine in your trash area, whatever. But just keep that in mind.
You got a pumpkin growing out of the trunk of a rusty car.
The pumpkins are going to vine. There's no rhyme or reason to their vining.
50 to 80 square feet in some varieties.
Yeah. So, yes, you can absolutely grow in a mound of soil, but then they are going to make kind of a bigger footprint as they vine out and grow. But it's really cool to grow your own pumpkins. My sister does this like almost every year. She grows pumpkins and then they carve them. We don't have that much success with pumpkins ourselves, but it's cool that that they do it. So I say go for it.
And we've got videos on our parent website, the WisconsinVegetableGardener.com, where we took bags of compost. There was like 2 cubic foot bag of compost, and sat them vertically, which made the bag about half full, and then cut the top off, and then rolled the sides down. And I'm trying to remember, we didn't grow. I think we grew a pumpkin or some type of squash. We didn't grow watermelon.
A squash.
Yeah, because we grew watermelon out of the straw bale one year. And that was successful. But yeah, you can certainly do this, and it's a great way to take an area that's not really good. Now, the other method, is straw bale. If she doesn't want to mound the soil up or buy extra soil, get a couple of straw bales.
Add more trash to the trash area.
Well, but the straw bales would work. Like your sister, we did straw bale gardening in her backyard, and the whole backyard was butternut squash and spaghetti squash and pumpkins. It was just a vine jungle, all because they were growing out of some straw bales. And we grew them, one out of a conventional, normal-sized agricultural straw bale, and then it was like a dwarf straw bale, or what I think they call a pony bale. It was like a quarter of the size, and it grew phenomenal out of that as well.
Mm-hmm.